Awesome to see you here on the farm and talk about, potentially a simpler future, more sustainable future. Yeah. We've overcomplicated things, didn't need to, and it's only going to get worse if we don't change something. So we got some ideas, and that's why I'm doing this. When I said I'm going to make these in Australia, everyone laughed. They said, do you realise all the cookware that was made in Australia is gone? It's all gone offshore. I said, yeah, but what if I come up with something so different and so compelling that customers actually want to buy it? That really drove me to show that it was possible to other Australian manufacturers, that they didn't need to run offshore as soon as they got a good design, stay here and tough it out and get it done, employ Australians. It was when I started making knives, and I was already thinking cookware, but it was when chefs started to say, hey, you've made a one-piece knife, now make us a one-piece pan. There's also pans in every home, and they're dinosaur design, coated in toxic plastic, and they're rapidly thrown in the bin. And even the best pans that I could see didn't last more than decades. My hero, Leonardo da Vinci. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. He figured that out 600 years ago. And that you'll see my products. One piece looks simple, right? Simple, not simple. Very sophisticated manufacturing, patents, world first, etc. And it's simple to use, like my knives, They're just intuitive. People don't need to know all the pain that I went through to get that on the market, Every year, more than 1.2 million non-stick pans go into the Australian landfill. And it sounds like a big number until you figure out how many households and how long they last. Buy another one. Every single one of those pans is imported. We're the only production manufacturer of cookware in Australia. So, no excuse, don't buy them. The other thing is, if you got the choice, wrought iron or cast iron, you'd pick wrought iron. Not because I make it, but because cast iron's twice the weight. Cast iron cracks. Cast iron is a poor conductor, and those short little fat handles get screaming hot as the pan, so you can't pick them up. There's only one source of each of those things, and it's a little Australian manufacturer who patented a new way to make wrought iron and stainless steel cookware. So that is the world's first, and still the world's only, wrought one-piece stainless steel pan. It's never been done before. Still hasn't been done because we own the patents. Everyone said it was impossible. Trust yourself. Believe in yourself, and believe that Australians can be world leaders in what they focus on. There's plenty of examples in history. We've lost most of it because we didn't want to do the work. We've sold it offshore. We can keep it in Australia. We can employ Australians, but it all comes back to innovation. You really, to manufacture in this country, you've got to be the world's best at something, and that's what I'm interested in. Yeah.